Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I'm sharing a refresh of my guest bedroom. Now, I'm getting all the linens off of the bed and I'm getting them all washed, and then I'm going to style the room. Now, I'm not having guests, but I am going to be spending some time in this space after a potential foot surgery. So I haven't scheduled it yet, but I know in the near future I'm probably going to have foot surgery, and I'm going to want a room or a space that I can retreat to outside of the primary suite, since I will be confined to the second floor. Now, if you guys remember, years ago I tried to find a house with the first floor bedroom, but we just never pulled the trigger on that project. So this is where we are, and yeah, I'll be staying in this area. So I want to make it nice and pretty, someplace where I will enjoy being in for probably 6 weeks. Now, I'm not going to spend my whole time in here. Like I said, this will be just a space to come in and retreat to when I'm not in the primary suite. So let's see what I come up with, and hopefully it's something that I will enjoy. So I'm going to get these things in the wash, and then we'll start decorating. Okay guys, so while the linens are washing, let's go ahead and talk about the curtains. So the curtains I did use last year, and I was really ready to put them in the garage sale, but I just thought these are such pretty curtains. They're so bright for spring and summer. I think I want to give it one more try, but what I wanted to do different this year with the curtains is to bring in a little bit more of that charcoal color. So this is giving you a full view of what the pattern looks like, and I think I can pull it off with bringing in more charcoal. So I'm going to start out by bringing in some items to decorate the top of the dresser. When I saw this at Home Goods, I thought it was perfect. I like the shape of it. This is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly the color gray, and it was the perfect height. So I think that looks great. Now I'm going to place a few more items on top. Okay guys, so next I found this art piece on the way to the checkout, and it says, "To be kind is more important than to be right." And then the next sentence says, "Many times what people need is not a brilliant mind that speaks, but a special heart that listens." And I thought that is so true. And that's a quote by F. Scott Fitzgerald. Okay guys, so my dresser is a French country dresser, and so I'm going to lean a little bit into the French country style. Okay, so I'm liking this so far. I may tweak it a little bit, but now let's go ahead and get the bed made. Okay guys, so let me see if I can walk you guys through putting on a duvet cover. Okay, so first you're going to want to lay your duvet cover inside out across your bed. with the zipper opening at the bottom. And then you're going to place your duvet insert or comforter on top of the duvet cover. Make sure you match up all four corners, and you can tie them on or pin them together, whichever works for you. Next, you're going to start from the top of the bed and then start rolling the covers, both pieces, all the way towards the bottom. Now, this rolling part can be done with one person, but it is a little helpful if you have two. Okay, so once you get to the bottom, grab the opening of the duvet and turn it inside out over the end of the rolled duvet. It'll be like stuffing a pillow into a pillowcase. And then continue until the duvet has been flipped onto the right side. I hope that wasn't too confusing. Otherwise, just stuff it like you're stuffing a pillowcase. My husband prefers the pillowcase method. Alright guys, so as you can see, my comforter is a little wrinkled. So you can get the wrinkles out either with some wrinkle release, starch, or you can steam it. All right, guys, let's see how my retreat turned out. All right, guys, so I think I achieved my goal. I got the charcoal wrapped around the room, and I love the way it shows up with the bright white. So if anyone is wondering, the bedding is by Casa Luna. I have the white linen duvet cover with the shams. I have the Euro style pillows in the back in gray, as well as the gray chunky throw. And I have had this bedding for several years, and it has held up through all of the washings. And guys, I picked up this beautiful lamp from HomeGoods. It is a beautiful, I'm not sure if it's alabaster or marble, but it's very heavy. And actually, I bought it to go on the dresser, but it was a little small. It looked a lot bigger in the store, but I love it anyhow. So I think the curtains turned out great. I'm glad I decided to keep them at least for another year. I don't know if we can do the same thing next year, but they are very pretty for spring and summer, and they do still have these in stock at HomeGoods. I didn't get a chance to share the adjoining bath, but I'll share that during the spring tour. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please join me back here next Wednesday for another video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.